Fine. Okay. Now, I need to integrate all the buttons, not all the edit text. What are the edit text we have? Edit text we have here: one, car price, down payment, loan amount, interest rate, tenure. Okay, 5 edit text are there. Correct. Now we'll do this. Edit text. Okay, edit text. What are the things you have? On road price I have, down payment I have, interest rate. Okay, interest rate I'll take, interest rate, tenure, then loan amount. Okay, so what are the things? Car price, on road price, down payment, loan amount, car price, down payment, loan amount. 3 edit text, and one is interest rate and one is tenure. Okay, so these 5 things are there. So I need to integrate the 5 things. One is on road price, one is down payment, one is loan, interest rate and tenure. Okay, next part. I need to get the result. Okay, so result in the form of text view. Okay, text view, EMI result. Okay, EMI result. Why is this for? To view the text, to view the result. Okay, next, what are the 2 buttons? What are the buttons we have? One is calculate the loan amount, one is calculate the EMI. Correct. So there are 2 buttons. First button, there are 2 buttons. The first button to calculate the loan amount, that is car loan. Okay, next one is for EMI result. Correct. So what are the 2 things? To view car loan and EMI, total EMI. Correct. Now I need to integrate these Java XML buttons with the Java and edit text also. Now let me start. On road edit text, okay, is equal to, we have edit text in the XML. Find that view by ID. Where is that ID? In the resource file with an ID dot. What is the on road price ID we have given? What is the ID of this attributes? Car price. Can you see this? Car price. Now I'll just say that car price. Okay. What is this? Integration of your XML car price. Okay, car on road price with Java. Next, on road over. Next, down payment I need to know. Down payment, edit text. There is a edit text. You need to get input, right? There is a edit text. Find that view by ID. Where is that ID? R dot resource dot with an ID. What is the ID of down payment? Okay. Of down payment, idea of down payment is, okay, what is the idea of the down payment? DP. So I am using DP semicolon. What is this? XML integration with the down payment with Java. Correct? Next, down payment over. What is the next thing we need to integrate? Loan amount. On road price we know, down payment we know, loan amount. Okay, there is a edit text. You can manipulate this loan amount manually or you can calculate. Find that view by ID. There is a ID in the resource. What is the ID of loan amount? Loan amount. Okay, so I am integrating this loan amount with, so this is XML loan amount with Java. So we are integrating. Next, loan amount over. Next, while coming to two buttons. What are those two buttons? One is car loan. Okay, one is car loan amount. One is calculate EMI. That is EMI result. So we have created two buttons, car loan and EMI result. Then start car loan. There is a button. There is a button in XML. Find that view by ID r.id. What is the ID of car loan amount? Calculate amount. Loan amount. Correct? No, not loan amount. Car loan. CAL. Okay. So I'll just change it. CAR. Okay. CAL. Car loan. CAL. Oh, semicolon. Okay. Then I need to get EMI result. So there is a button in my XML. There is a button in my XML. Find that view by ID r.id. What is the thing? EMI result. What is the ID which we have given? Calculate EMI button. CAL EMI. Okay. CAL EMI. See, these IDs are very important. You need to remember carefully and you need to integrate properly. Then button over, EMI result button over. Then we have two more edit text. What are those four edit text? One is interest rate edit text, one is tenure rate edit text. So interest rate edit text. Interest rate is equal to, there is a edit text, find that view by ID r.id. What is the ID for interest rate? ID for interest rate is rate of interest. Okay, rate of interest, semicolon, enter. Next, tenure is equal to, there is a edit text, find that view by ID r.id. What is the ID? What is the ID for tenure? ID for tenure is months. Correct? So months. Semicolon, enter. So two buttons over, two edit text over, three edit text over. Then class remaining is result. The major remaining part. EMI result is which type it is? Which type of view? Text view actually. Find the text view by ID with an ID as, what is the ID of text view? What is the ID of text view? That text view. Okay. Text view. Where is the text view of that? Text view. This is not a text view. Where is the text view? There is a text view. Okay. There is a text view. Not defined. Attributes. EMI. ID is EMI. Okay, so EM, enter, not EMI. Text view. One second. Where is the text view? One second. So click on the EMI. Okay, so this is the EMI. Text view, you are not defined. EMI result. EMI result. Okay, text. Result. Result. Okay, so one biggest mistake I'm doing, EMI result is different from EMI. See, so only I was getting error. Be careful. If you have mentioned text view with a name, you need to mention text view only. If you have said button EMI result, you need to say button only. Okay, or else you will get an error. Now integration is over. So edit text is integrated with all the Java. XML is integrated with Java. Now what is our next step? We need to calculate the car loan. Car loan debt dot set on listener. After clicking the car loan, something should happen, right? New view should happen. What is that? Okay. After clicking on this, okay. After clicking calculate, this button calculate loan amount. For that loan amount, what is the loan amount? Car price. There is a car price of 9 lakh. Okay. So there is a car price of 9 lakh. Now I'll just share the content of Microsoft Whiteboard. Okay. Everyone can see this Microsoft Whiteboard.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 second. It is taking time. Okay, now I'll just say if my car loan is, okay, if my car loan is 9 lakh, okay, no, car on road price, this is on road, okay. Now down payment means initial amount I'm paying 1,50,000. I'll just pay 1,50,000. Now, what is the loan amount? What is the remaining loan amount? This minus this, right? This minus this. So 7,50,000 is my loan amount. Are you getting my point? Yes. So I'll just share the window. EMI calculate. Okay. Now, car price minus down payment equals to loan amount, or else you can enter the loan amount on your own. Okay, there is two options. One is you can enter the loan amount directly, or you can calculate the loan amount. Now we'll go for calculation only. First we need to take on road. Whatever we are typing in the edit text, we need to get the text. Okay. We need to store it to the string. Okay, which string? Say for example, string check road. I'm just checking. Okay, check on road. Next. I'm just saving the next. We are taking the down payment edit text value. get the text and two string semicolon, and we are storing to the string. Where we are storing to the string? Which string? Check down. Okay, check down. Okay, if check road, okay, matches, if check road match, if check road, okay, I mean the check road matches with a null, okay, then you need to say, you need to toast a message saying that toast dot make a text. Where you need to make a text? In the main activity dot this. What you need to toast? Please enter a valid on road price of car. Okay, next comma toast dot length short dot show semicolon. Okay, then return. Else, okay, else if my check down payment, okay, we are checking the down payment edit text also matches to the null, I mean if it is null then it should say the same thing, toast, you need to toast a message but enter a valid down payment price of the car. Okay, after which else, if this condition is true, then double car price, car price is equal to double dot parse double on road dot get text to string, because it is in lakhs, sometimes in crores also, so we are using double. Next double, then down payment is equal to double dot parse double down dot get text to string. Okay, next once it is once you are giving, then you are making car price minus down payment. Okay, down payment, you are storing it to the, you are storing this to the string loan. Okay, that is you are storing to the string loan amount is equal to car price minus down payment. Why is this getting, okay, we need to wrap it. You are getting a double value, double data type value, you need to wrap the string value. Okay, now next, if text utils, okay, dot is empty, loan amount, or else we need to set a text loan dot as a loan amount. Okay. Loan dot set text final loan. Okay. Now let me run this program. I'll stop this and I'll share the entire screen. Okay. Then I'll run this program. We'll see. What I've done, I've taken one loan amount. I mean, not a loan amount. One on-road price and one down payment. I'm minusing that. That's all. Okay. Now, on-road price 9 lakh. 9 lakh. Okay. Down payment 1.5 lakh. 1.5 lakh. 9 lakh. 1.5 lakh. Now, calculate 7. See here, you are getting the answer 7,50,000. Or else you can enter directly. If you know the loan amount 7,50,000, you can enter directly. Got my point? Are you clear up to this? Again,
Yes, sir.
I'll change. Okay, 19 lakh. Okay, then calculate the EMI. See here, 17,50,000 is the loan amount. Say for example, 20 lakh. Down payment is 5 lakh. On clicking calculate loan amount, 15 lakh is the loan amount. Got my point? Okay. So why I'm showing this, because see, you can go to the car valley. I'll show you what is the working car valley. I'll choose any car, Fortuner, Toyota Fortuner. I'll go with the top end version. Select the city, Bangalore. Okay. So customize it. See here. Can you see this customization? I can change the down payment. Okay. This is a seek bar. I can change the down payment. The minimum down payment is 9,72,950. What is the loan amount? 38,30,000. If I change the loan down payment, see, gradually increasing the. Okay, my loan amount is okay. I'm decreasing the down payment. It is automatically increasing. Loan amount is increasing. That's all. Nothing more than that. I've given loan amount 15 lakh. Okay. Yes. Am I clear? Now this part is over. Or else, sir, why all this steps, sir? I'll just enter the loan amount as 15 lakh. I'll just minus and I'll just enter. Yes, that is also fine. You can remove this button also. Okay. I'm teaching you the extra feature. Even you can do like this also, seek bar also. See how good it is. EMI is also varying. Down payment, loan amount is also varying. If I vary the down payment, EMI will vary. If I vary the interest rate, EMI will vary. If I vary the years tenure, EMI will vary. How it is one to one integrated? EMI is integrated with all the down payment, tenure, interest rate, loan amount, everything. Correct? No, sir. We don't want to code so much of line. We'll manipulate this. Okay, this whole thing. Okay, I'll just give you an assignment. For the time being, I'll just delete this. Okay, I'll delete this, then I'll delete calculate button also. Okay, so why I'm deleting calculate button? I don't want that. Sir, extra line of coding I don't want, sir. It's your wish. As a teacher, I need to teach you. So I'll play this. It's not mandatory to follow my coding. It's your wish. You can follow your code also. Okay. Now see here. On-road price 9 lakh. 9 lakh. Down payment 1.5 lakh. No, sir, I'll just minus. I don't want to take coding risk. Okay. It's your wish. For this loan amount only, you are calculating the interest rate. For this loan amount, according to your interest rate and the tenure, you are calculating the EMI. Got my point? Yes? Okay. Next, I'll control Z. I'll undo this. Okay. Fine. I'll undo the things. Okay, fine. Next. Now loan amount we got it. Yes, loan amount we got it. Now we need to calculate the EMI by taking the tenure and the interest rate. Correct? Next part, EMI result calculator button. Okay, on click the EMI result button. Okay, it need to calculate. Set on click listener, new view on click listener, new view on click listener. So we need to calculate the EMI. Correct? We need to calculate the EMI. This is very simple, most simple one. Okay, you need to calculate the EMI. First, what are the things you need to take? On road price, on road dot get text, to string. Okay, semicolon. Next, down payment, down dot get text. Hey, on road price and down payment is not needed. Okay, then loan, only loan dot get text, to string. Okay, semicolon. So I'm just storing this. What is my string? Okay, final loan. Okay. Next, interest rate dot get text, get semicolon. Next, time, tenure dot get text, to string, semicolon. So I'm just saving this interest rate in interest string interest is equal to, then I'm saving this in string month. Okay, so I'm saving loan in the final loan, interest rate in the interest, tenure in the month. Okay, now I need my final loan dot matches null, then and interest rate, that is interest rate dot matches null, then and my month dot matches null. If anything is null, then you need to say post a message saying that make test dot this. Okay, comma, you need to put fields are required. All the fields are required. All the fields are required. Okay, next, toast that message. Toast that message for a short while, then dot show. Okay, then return. Else now else what is the final EMI formula? Do you remember the formula? Do you remember the formula? Syllabus. One second. Do you remember the formula? Syllabus. In CS 45, not 45. In 18 CS MP 68. Okay. Syllabus. Yeah. Formula multiplication. You see this formula? Okay. E is equal to EMI is equal to principal into, okay, rate of interest plus 1 plus r to the power of n divided by 1 plus r to the power of n minus 1. Okay, do you remember this formula? What do you want? You want principal, you have the interest rate, you need to have tenure. Okay, so everything should be there. Fine. Else double principal is equal to your loan amount. Okay, your loan amount, not the principal, I mean final loan. Okay, loan dot get text are you able to see now? Okay, so your loan amount, that is double dot pass double loan dot get text to string semicolon. Next, double interest rate. Okay, I rate I'll just say interest rate is equal to double dot parse double interest rate dot get text to string semicolon, enter, then double time double dot parse double tenue dot get text to string. So I'm saving all this in the double. Now double, okay, rate of interest is equal to I rate divided by 1200. Okay, 12 into 100. Now string final EMI is equal to, okay, principal, not principal, principal, whatever the principal loan amount into, okay, what is the formula? What is the formula? Shall I show you the formula again? I'll show you the formula again. Entire screen. Principal into, okay. See, this R is the interest rate value of computed on monthly basis. Okay. So the rate of interest on monthly per annum, 7.6 per annum. What is per annum? Per 12. 12 into 100. So I am taking 1200. I rate whatever the edit text you are giving divided by 1200. That will become your rate. Okay. Rate next into, okay, into what you are supposed to do. I'll just enlarge this. Okay. Next. Rate into math dot power. Okay. 1 plus rate, comma, time. N means time. 1 plus r to the power of n. So we are writing like this. The closing divided by math dot power, okay, 1 plus rate, comma, time, that is 1 plus r to the power of n minus 1 semicolon. Okay, so here I need to use double close brace. Okay, double close brace. 1 second. Principal into rate into math dot power 1 plus rate, comma, time open brace math dot power, this is only 1, okay, 1 plus rate, comma, time minus n, but it is in the string value, so wrap the content in the string value. Then you have a edit text view as EMI result, right? EMI result dot set text as a final EMI. Okay, correct? So can I run this program? I'll share the entire screen with an emulator. I'll stop this, then I'll run the program. You need to get the output. is launching the activity. Okay, so if I press calculate, please enter a valid on-road price. Yes, okay, 9 lakh, 9 lakh, right? Okay. Then if I press calculate, please enter the down payment. Okay. Then 1.5 lakh. Then calculate. Now 7.5 lakh is the loan amount. Interest rate 7.5. Okay. Then tenure 60 months. 8 I'll take. 8. Interest rate as 8. Okay. Then calculate the EMI. What is the EMI? 15,207. So I'll just make it as wrap the content. Wrap the content. Play it again. I'll play it again. I'll show you two possibilities. One is calculating the loan amount. One is manually entering the loan amount and calculating the EMI. Okay. Now it is ready now. If I press car loan amount, it will say an error. Okay. If I press on this, it will say please enter a valid on-road price. Okay. I'll just enter 9 lakh. Okay. Then if I enter calculate the loan amount, it is saying please enter the valid down payment 1,50,000. Calculate. Then 7,50,000. Interest rate 8%. Then tenure 60 months. Then calculate the EMI 15,207. It's so on. Okay. We'll verify in this Carville. So not Carville. EMI calculator. I'll go with EMI calculator. Okay. So loan amount is 7,50,000, right? 7,50,000. Enter. So interest rate is 8%. Enter. Months is 60 months. Enter. 15,000 to not. Yes. So total principal amount and the interest rate, total payment you are paying 9,12,438. Am I clear? Yes. Any doubts? Any doubts?